Hello everyone, welcome to Amuday Academy. So in this video, we're going to start with a new question. So regarding redemption by purchase in open market. So let us read the question and let us see how we can journalize this. Let us start. X Limited decided to redeem 250 debentures of 12% debentures of rupees 100 each. Okay, so amounting to 25,000, that is 250 into 100, that is face value equals 25,000. Right. For this purpose, the company purchased debentures amounting to 20,000 in open market. So out of this 25,000, 20,000 debentures worth of debentures they purchased in open market. Correct. So at rupees 98.5 rupees, which means 100 rupees worth of debentures. Per debenture is 100 rupees. That 100 rupees worth of debentures they got it at 98.5. Okay, they got a profit here, right? Fine. Next, expenses of rupees 100 was incurred on it for to purchase this 20,000 worth of debentures. They incurred 100 rupees expenditure. Fine. The balance of debentures amounting to rupees 5,000 were redeemed by draw of lots. So draw of lots means the company will keep a box and they'll put all the debenture holders names, and they will pick one name from the box, and they will redeem their debentures. So like that it works, kind of lucky draw, not lucky draw, kind of drawing lucky draw only. So they will pick up a person name and they will redeem the debenture of that person, and remaining debentures will be continued. That's it. So there is no more logic on it. Yeah, so I have created some working note, so that will be more easier to solve the question. You can also prepare like this. So let us start. The first, we need to take up the face value. Fine, whatever we are purchasing from the open market. For that, we need to take the face value, or how many debentures we are purchasing. So per debenture, it is 100 rupees. Correct. So 20,000 is the worth of debenture. So per debenture is 100 rupees. That is face value. So equals 200 debentures we bought from the open market. Fine. That only I have calculated. Number of debentures we need to calculate. So 20,000 debentures. So each 100 rupees worth, and 200 debentures we purchased. So at what price we purchased? At 98.5 paise. So at this price only we bought. Fine. Yes. So 200 into 98.5. So what is the payment we are going to make it to the debenture holder? That is 19,700 rupees. So 20,000 worth of debentures, the company bought it at 19,700. So, and also they incurred 100 rupees expense. Along with that, total payment is 19,800. So 200 rupees is the profit now. So 20,000 worth of debentures they got at 19,800 rupees, which means 200 is the profit. Fine. Yes. So I have already calculated the profit also. 20,000 minus 19,800, which equals to 200 rupees profit. Fine. Let us start with the journal entries, and let us understand that also. So before that, you need to understand the modern rules also. So let me write it here. If asset increases, we will debit. If asset decreases, we need to credit. If liability increases, we need to credit. If liability decreases, we need to debit. Then, if expenses or loss increases, so we need to debit it. If income increases, we need to credit it. So this is the modern rules we are following from the starting. So most of the people know it. So let us start with the question. The first thing we are purchasing from open market, right? So obviously we need to reverse debenture account. So 12%, I think so. 12% debenture, yeah. It is 12% debenture. So 12% debenture account will get debited because always we were transferring debentures, whatever debenture application money, allotment money is there, we were transferring it to the debenture account. So debenture account was getting credited, but now we are purchasing the debentures from open market. That means the debenture account will get debited. So in an easy manner, liability is decreasing, so we are debiting it. Finished. So what is the worth of debentures? 20,000 worth. Fine. Now we need to pay through the bank account. Correct. Fine. Asset is decreasing, we will credit it. Fine. Yes. So at what amount we are purchasing? We are purchasing at 19,800. That is 200 debentures into 98.5 equals 19,700. Along with that expenditure of 100, 19,800. Fine. Yes. 19,800 rupees. Remaining 200 is profit. If income increases, we will credit it to profit on redemption of debentures. So which is 200 rupees. Now we need to transfer this additional 200 rupees to the capital reserve. At last we will transfer it. No issues. So we'll come to the remaining 5,000. So 25,000 worth of debenture was there. Out of that, 20,000 worth of debentures we bought it from the open market, and remaining 5,000 from draw of lots. So which is a normal usual entry. So that means obviously 12% debenture account will get debited for 5,000. Fine. To whom we need to pay? We need to pay to the debenture holder, whomever it may be. Correct. So debenture holder is a creditor. So we will show it in the liability, obviously, yes, right? So debenture holder will get credited. If liability increases, we need to credit it. That's the logic. Now, if we want to pay to the debenture holder, from where we will pay? From bank account. Right. So to debenture holder. If the liability is decreasing, if we pay, liability will obviously decrease. So if liability decreases, we will debit it again. Debenture holder account will get debited for the same amount 5,000 we need to pay. Now through what we will pay? Through bank account. So asset is decreasing, so credit 5,000 rupees. Fine. Now whatever profit we had here, we need to transfer it to capital reserve. So capital reserve, we will show it in liability side. So liability will increase. So capital reserve is credited. So this account will get debited because we need to reverse it. That's it. Profit on redemption of debenture will get debited. Profit on redemption of debentures account will get debited for 200 rupees, whatever we had the profit. So what we need to credit? Capital reserve account. So liability will increase, we need to credit it. Fine. So this is the end of the video. Please note down everything. So also question and working note, everything. Take a screenshot. That's it. Right. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, you can ask through comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye.